This is our crispy bacon chicken breast. Our bacon is in the middle. Can you see it right? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel at Char's Vibes Kitchen. In this kitchen we cook with passion, we cook from our heart, and we have a little bit of fun. So in today's video we will be preparing crispy bacon with chicken breast. Our chicken breast has been rinsed with some vinegar and cleaned, so it's just to be seasoned. So these are all the ingredients that we will be using in today's video. So like I said, these are the main items, which is our bacon and our chicken breast, which is over here. So I'm just gonna let you know, I'm just letting you know what we have, the items, which I will put in the description as well. So we also will be serving this with some potato salad. So these are our potatoes that has been washed and diced. And we also will be doing beetroot and carrots. Yes, so we're doing a lot of things today, but I think this is going to be really quick and easy, even though it looks like this, but it will be quick and easy. So we have our Irish potato, we have our beetroot, we have our carrots and beans, which we will be putting in our potato after it is cooked, and we have our carrots over here, which we will be doing with our beetroot. We also have over here our season and our vegetables. So we have our onions diced, our garlic diced, we have some bell peppers over there, we have black pepper, we have lemon and herb, we have smoked paprika. I added some Italian herb. We have our garlic powder, and we have our dried thyme. Yes, our dried thyme. So these are what we're going to use on our chicken to season our chicken. Yes guys, so this is what we're going to have. I'm excited to see how this will turn out. So stay tuned, and we will be right back. I know that most persons love bacon, isn't it? Yeah, so I have turned down the Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, we will be putting the chicken in our air fryer. I just love the air fryer. Can I tell you how much I love this air fryer? So alright, so next when you see me, we will be putting our chicken in our air fryer. So after our bacon is ready, we will be putting our bacon in our chicken, then put our chicken in our air fryer. Okay guys, our bacon is looking good. This piece can be taken out. Okay, so we want it crispy, so we're going to come right back. So guys, we have sauteed the vegetables, the onions, the garlic, the bell pepper in the same pan that we fried our bacon. See how crispy and nice those look. So we sauteed our vegetable in that same pan. So we're going to add this to our chicken as well. So we do not want it to be burned, so we keep on stirring. Yep. Yeah, so our pot is over there. It's almost done with our potatoes. So we're going to make our potato salad. Hi guys, welcome back to Char's Vibes Kitchen. If you're just joining this video, we are preparing crispy bacon chicken breast, and we're going to have on the side some potato salad. We're also doing carrot and beetroot. So yeah, so that we're having a feast. So we're going to turn on our air fryer. Wow. Oh, apparently it was on. So we're going to turn it on now, guys. So it is on. Right, so we are going to put it on chicken. Start. So it's preheating. As soon as that is done, then we're going to add our chicken. So like a candle. Again, guys, I don't know if this is being read backwards, but it's iced dragon fruit tea. Light a candle. So we're just going to put it right here. Let that stay right there. And guys, this is our chicken, all seasoned. Yep. This is our chicken, all seasoned. So we are going to prepare our chicken. Okay, it says add food. So we need to add our chicken real fast. So when I'm actually adding the chicken in, I'll come right back. So okay guys, so here we have our chicken breast all seasoned and ready for our bacon. So this is our crispy bacon, and close this cupboard. We have a little bit of Saute veg here that we're going to add to our chicken breast as well. So we're going to add our bacon and sauteed veg to our chicken breast. So this is how the chicken breast look when we cut it in half. So we're just going to add the pieces of bacon and sauteed veg right here. Let me get this a little bit closer. Just a little bit closer. Okay guys, we're going to add, just want you guys to see the air fryer. So we're going to add it. Come on. Alright guys, I had to turn it off a little bit because we weren't quite ready. So we're just preparing our chicken breast, right? Look at this. This is a biggie. This is a big one. So we're just adding pieces. We're just going to break up our chicken breast in pieces. Sorry, not chicken breast, our bacon in small pieces. And at the same time, we will be adding our veg to it. So we have 4 pieces of chicken breast. Alright, it says food ready guys. So we're just going to add our chicken breast to our air fryer. Can I tell you how much I'm enjoying this air fryer? Yes, I am. So guys, because I think I might be putting it, I'm not quite sure if I'm going to put all in it at once. I might just put 2 at a time. But in the interim, we can just prepare our other 2 pieces of chicken breast. So that's what we're going to do. So we're breaking our bacon. Who doesn't like bacon? This is so good and so tempting. Guys, look how beautiful our chicken breast looks already. We are about to turn our chicken breast now. You can see the pieces of bacon peeping out. So it's not yet ready. So it's halfway through. So we're just gonna turn our chicken breast. But how beautiful it looks already. Okay, so when it's done, we'll come right back. Okay guys, so these 2 pieces are ready to be taken out. So we're gonna take these 2 pieces out, and then we are gonna add the other 2 pieces. So this is how it looks inside. See, the veg is right there, and the bacon is inside as well. Look at this, guys. Ooh. Look at this. How beautiful, how juicy. Our crispy bacon chicken breast. Look at this. Look at this. This is our crispy bacon. Can you see the bacon? Our crispy bacon chicken breast. Our potato salad garnished with crispy bacon. Our beetroot and carrot, which I'm gonna have all by myself. This one. Look at this, guys. Look how beautiful. Look how colorful. Wow. Oh yes. This is our crispy bacon chicken breast. Our bacon is in the middle. Can you see it right there? Served with potato salad garnished with bacon and our beet and carrot. Dinner is ready. Dinner is served. Wow. Guys, how beautiful, how delicious, how attractive, how colorful. Guys, how colorful, how beautiful, how healthy, how delicious, how appealing. Look at this. Dinner is ready. Dinner is served. Look at this, guys. How beautiful. Thank you so very much, guys. Thank you so very much for stopping by. You have been watching Char's Vibes Kitchen. I'm asking you to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And for those who are just passing by, please feel free to join the family. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you all. Please go ahead and check out my other videos where you will get other delicious, healthy meal ideas. Thank you so very much again, guys, for watching. Dinner is ready. Dinner is served. Catch you in the next one. Bye.